Iran showcases underground missile base capable of withstanding nuclear attacks. Iranian state media recently revealed footage of Commander Major General Hossein Salami inspecting one of the nation's underground missile bases. The footage displayed the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, or IRGC, substantial stockpile of advanced ballistic missiles, underscoring Iran's ongoing focus on strengthening its defense capabilities. The facility is reportedly equipped with modern missile systems capable of targeting distant locations, further solidifying Iran's position as a regional military power. According to Petr Shpagin, a former officer of the Russian Armed Forces Main Operations Directorate, the underground base is designed to endure even a nuclear attack, emphasizing its strategic importance. Iran has long been recognized for its extensive network of underground facilities which serve to house and protect its missile systems. These bases play a crucial role in ensuring the secrecy and security of Iran's weapons, shielding them from potential airstrikes or other forms of attack. The unveiling of such facilities highlights Iran's commitment to maintaining a robust and resilient defense infrastructure in the face of regional and international challenges. The revelation of this underground missile base aligns with Iran's broader strategy of deterring potential adversaries and showcasing its technological advancements. These facilities, hidden deep within the earth, are engineered not only to protect critical assets, but also to provide a tactical advantage in the event of conflict. By keeping its missile stockpiles and operations secure from surveillance and strikes, Iran ensures that its military capabilities remain intact even under the most severe conditions. Experts suggest that such developments are a response to the ongoing geopolitical tensions in the region. Iran's missile program has often been a focal point of international scrutiny, with several nations expressing concerns over its potential implications for regional stability. However, Iranian officials maintain that the missile program is defensive in nature, aimed at safeguarding the nation's sovereignty and deterring aggression. The unveiling of these underground bases is also a message to Iran's rivals, demonstrating that its strategic assets are not only advanced, but also heavily fortified against any form of attack. This capability significantly enhances Iran's bargaining position on the global stage, as it underscores the country's ability to withstand military pressure while retaining the capacity for counterstrikes. The footage of the missile base has sparked discussions among military analysts, with many noting the advanced level of planning and resources invested in such infrastructure. The combination of technological sophistication and strategic foresight evident in these facilities highlights Iran's commitment to preserving its security interests amidst a complex and often adversarial international environment. This development also raises broader questions about the proliferation of underground military installations and their role in modern warfare. As nations increasingly invest in such facilities, the dynamic of conflict and deterrence continues to evolve, with an emphasis on survivability and resilience becoming key elements of defense strategy. Thank you for delving into this detailed analysis of military operations, strategic maneuvers, and technological advancements. We trust this insight has enriched your understanding of the intricate and evolving dynamics of modern warfare. This Patriot Pirate Roadshow was not directly sponsored by Patriot Pirate Roadshow, but rather provide personal funding for military grant makers, first appearing in the March